Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you what Extrude mesh node is used for. The purpose of this node is to extrude the vertices, edges and faces on a mesh. So let's go ahead to show you. I have added to the scene this UV sphere as shown in our tutorial, so go ahead, Shift A, I'm gonna be adding Extrude mesh node as shown here. Drag it and drop it as shown here, and you can see the effect. It's pretty amazing. It is gonna be extruding individually each face of the UV sphere is extruded, as you can see in our tutorial, individually. Then let's try to see what are the main features for the Extrude mesh node. The Extrude mesh node has different inputs for mesh selection offset, as you can see here, and different outputs for the input. For this input of the mesh you want to extrude from, as shown here, and the selection input specifically select what versus edges or faces you want to extrude, and the offset vector, a vector value that determines the direction of the extrusion. By default, this is the normal direction of each face, and you can play around as shown here, and you can see this amazing effect. You can change the offset scale. Then we have the individual, like this. Is checked. If checked, it's gonna be letting or allowing the extrusion. For the outputs, we have the mesh output and the top output and the side. The top output, with the socket you can easily select the top face of the extruded part, and for this side socket you can easily select the side faces of each extruded part. And you can see much more detail about this amazing node in the next tutorials. Thanks for watching.